Well, hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we are going to learn how to use Keynote for Southwest Virginia Can Code event. So, to begin with, we can start by looking at our home page in the Keynote file. So, we can see these recent projects that we have done, and there's an option to choose a theme, start an outline. So in this option we are going to primarily use choose a theme, and before starting, ensure that your Keynote is updated to the latest version, and you can check that by saying your home page. If it looks like this, you are good to go. After hitting the choose a theme button, you can get started with choosing a theme. So choose a theme for your learning journal that aligns with learning objectives. So the graph paper theme in the portfolio category is recommended because it is simple and user friendly. So I'm going to hit that, and you will see this screen. So there are a couple of toolbars in Keynote that are going to be mostly useful for our presentation. So presentation options, presentation setup, and presentation type is going to be important. We will look into that later. So this run button is going to be useful too. Tables and charts, it depends on the project you are trying to do, but the most useful toolbar is this one, shapes and text. So to add an object to a presentation, locate the object buttons at the top of your screen and select an object from the corresponding menu. So to select a shape, let's say I want to select this square, and look here, I selected it, and I can change it easily. So the main trick to change it without changing its width and height is drag it from the corner. But human makes a mistake, while dragging it, I just changed its shape. So in order to prevent that, what we can do is we can just simply hit the paintbrush tool, go to arrange, and this constraint proportions. So what this will allow me is to do is, even if I change it like this, it's never going to lose its fixed shape. So after doing that, we have another feature toolbar that is going to be useful, is this media toolbar. There's an option to add photos or videos. There's an option to add camera, click a real-time picture, record audio, which we'll mostly use for our journal purpose, and everything. And other toolbars include the paintbrush tool. So this is going to be mostly useful, as I just saw you, there are a couple of really great features that we can utilize using this paintbrush tool. And using this export button, we can export our file like this. But after hitting in export and send, there are a lot of different options to export your presentation. So we can export it as a PDF, PowerPoint, movie. So what is recommended is, if we do movie, so there will be an option to go to the next slide after. If we do 1 second, it's gonna go fast. So at least 2 seconds or 1 second, depending upon your taste, is recommended. And the slide range option, so we can change the slide range to whatever. If we only want to export one slide, we can just select one. And we can also change the resolution. There's there's an option to change the format too. So HEVC, most of the applications can run that, and we don't really need to use other things. So after doing that, we can export our file. So this is how we use Keynote for general purpose. We are going to touch upon some more topics in the upcoming videos. We look forward to see you guys in the Southwest Virginia Can Code event. Thank you for watching.